Hi folks, I'm Steve Frustaglio, and this week we're hunting in Roddickton, Newfoundland with legendary goalie Felix Potvin with Mayflower Outfitters. Stick around folks, because you're watching Yeah, bye! Well folks, day one, Northern Peninsula of Newfoundland. We're on the rock, and I am excited folks. I am very excited because I get to hunt with a great NHL goaltender, Felix Potvin. Played for 5 NHL teams. Felix, I'm glad you came out, man. This is gonna be a great trip. I'm excited. Len, what do you think? We're going to be successful in getting a couple of bulls?
Oh yes, of course, always.
You don't look excited. Let's get going.
Yeah.
Stay with us, folks. Average. But there could be a cow, there could be a bull now. Yeah. Right over, you don't know, right over here. So let's quietly walk this trail. Let's see what happens. Now she sees us. Oh. How beautiful There's a lot of moose in this area. There's about 140,000 population on the island, so pretty much you're going to see more moose than people in the day. The last time I was out here, anywhere between 8 to 15 a day we would see. We're here at Canada Bay, and we're picking mussels. We're going to take them back to our camp. We're going to have a mussel boil up. Oh yeah, buddy.
Aim to the right, the big white rock.
To the right?
Go to the right and then to the back.
It looks like another rock.
Here's the bag between the wood on the other side.
Oh yeah.
another spot. There's nothing here. We saw a few cows and a calf this morning. I'm getting frustrated. Let's go. Very windy today. Keep pushing forward, you never know.
It's good walking in the woods. We're just fortunate with the weather, a little bit too much wind, but we'll try to track them. No, not yet. We're just beginning of the week, so still lots of time.
Come on.
Just waiting here by this little pond. Seen some sign of vegetation's being heated, so just waiting to see if it's gonna happen here.
It's the end of day 2. It was interesting evening, actually. We're sitting over this pond. Apparently there's a 20-pointer seen in the area yesterday, but it's just so windy tonight, and we've got 45-kilometer winds. It's freezing. Our fingers are numb. Got these windstop gloves. They work real well. Imagine. Anyways, we saw 3. We didn't know if it was a bull.
Yeah, we saw a cow and a calf for sure, and the other one we couldn't tell.
All we saw was the back end of the other one. It could have been another cow, could have been a small bull, who knows.
Yeah.
But we're going to head back to the lodge, have some dinner, and tomorrow's day 3, and hopefully we make it happen tomorrow. What do you think, Felix?
Hopefully that wind can calm down a little bit and have a little more luck.
Calling for 15-kilometer winds, which is a lot better, and
that'd be nice.
wet snow.
That'd be even better.
0 degrees.
Excellent.
We're here at Cloud River Academy. We're going to bring Felix in for a meet and greet with the kids. Let's go.
There you go. You're welcome.
Well, the vice principal just informed me that another school 10 minutes away just called up asking if we're bringing Felix over to his school. I think we've created a monster here.
Just move. You see him? No.
into the forest, so we try to wait, see if he can come out. We'll take our time along. And we stepped out that old road. We'll wait there for hours, so because he's coming, as if he's not already crossed. He's going to come back out there. So we'll walk up here towards, walk over there, walk up towards the main road, and then take the boat, then I'll let you know. Then we'll walk back the way we came in, we'll stop. All right. That way. Move. Move over. Use easy. Pick up your stick and move over. Use easy. Stop. You stop. Oh, it's a big target. That monkey until you stop is right over there. Okay, take that big one now. Well, you could have a good shot maker because he only went and stopped, right? Just because you stopped there for a nice wall, and then I see him make a step there, and I think he's still right there. So we're gonna have to wait for half hour or longer.
But hopefully I got him.
I hope you do too, because he's a trophy. He's a trophy bull for Area 40. That fellow.
Really?
Oh yes. That's still a big animal. That one, huh?
That's the only sign we had of the moose by the tree. So hopefully now it's down and it's not going to get back up again. You know what I mean?
Yes, hopefully it's down for good.
So let's go find that guy.
All right, let's go. High five. Buddy.
Yeah.
There you go.
Good job, Dennis. Thanks. Let's go see that guy. That's a big animal.
Beauty, 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 beauty.
I was there.
Felix, congratulations, man.
Thanks, Steve.
Nice bull.
Yeah, real excited.
Normally they say to you, nice save. This is a nice shot.
A little bit more of a different excitement than stopping pucks.
Absolutely. Oh, take off this Browning hat. They're not my sponsor. Give them the proper hat, guys. There you go. Hunt
There you
TV,
go. Part
bud.
of the team now.
Felix,
eh?
yeah, Felix Potvin, ex-NHL goalie. In my eyes, one of the best goalies in the 1990s. Definitely in the top 3. Just put down his first bull moose. Dennis was Felix's guide this morning. We switched it up. And you know what? It all panned out.
Thanks, Dennis.
Good job, Dennis. You told me last night that you knew a location where there was a couple of bulls.
Yeah, we came here this morning and lucky enough.
Made it happen, eh?
Made it happen.
Beautiful. Great shot. Nice animal.
It's been a great time with you guys, you and John, and the whole crew, the whole filming crew. You guys did a real good job. And I'm really thankful for you guys to make this happen for me. So thanks a lot, guys. And on TV is the best.
It was our pleasure, buddy.
All right.
Well, folks, that concludes this week's episode of Hunt TV here in Newfoundland and Labrador. We had a great time with Mayflower Outfitters on a successful moose hunt. We had a great time hunting with some great friends, including Felix Potvin, legendary goalie from the NHL. Johnny, what do you think?
I think Trevor Pilgrim rules the moose planet.
And what do you think? We're going to stick around and listen to some music from some local band?
Well, that's for sure.
I'm Steve Frustaglio.
And I'm John Hunt.
See you next week here on Hunt TV.
Trip around the bay, but kicking out the overhauls like